The MXL Cr89, part of the stunning CR series of black chrome studio condenser microphones from MXL. The Cr89 is a large diaphragm condenser microphone with a matte black body and contrasted black chrome grille and trim. The Cr89 is a low-noise instrument microphone capable of capturing all of the details of acoustic guitars, pianos, and strings. The rich sound of the Cr89 is equally at home as a vocal mic, breathing life into every performance. The Cr89 has a low noise circuitry, low proximity effect, tuned grille cavity that reduces standing waves and harmonic distortion. The large body is designed to minimize resonance. The transparent sound is clear and natural. The Cr89 includes an aluminum flight case, heavy-duty shock mount, and cleaning cloth. Make a bold statement with the MXL Cr89, Pro Sound Network's Best of NAMM Show 2013. It sounds as bold as it looks.